Okay, I'm ready. So, I'm going to show you what I believe. Actually, it's objectively true. Skip what I believe. The best way to nourish your skin to look younger and feel younger as you get older is through the blood. Because if you have healthy blood, you're going to have healthy organs, you're going to have healthy skin, and you're going to look and you're going to feel younger and more youthful as you get older. So instead of focusing on topical stuff and cover-up stuff, which does nothing for your energy or your quality of longevity or blood and all those things, I'm going to do something real. Instead of a fake veneer, it's going to be real. I got pretty great skin. I'm in my 40s. Just last week, more than once, somebody guessed I was 24 years old. Hi Kim, hi Mar, hi Amethyst, hi Hannah, Angelica, hi everyone. So let's get started. I'll show you how I do it. Get some water. I mean hydration, come on man. Fill up this canister, I don't know, about 10-12 ounces I'm doing. And then the base of all of this is this vegan, plant-based, anti-GMO, pro-organic, no soy, no gluten. It's this superfoods nutrition shake. Thank you, Kim. I appreciate the compliment on my skin. So I do 1 scoop of this powdered mix. The reason why I like a powdered mix is because you can control how rich or weak you want it, how thin or thick, all those things. Some days I like it thick, other days not so much. Today's going to be a medium of the road kind of day. Also, the way that this particular brand was processed is through a cold process. So even though it's powder, the food is living. The enzymes are alive, it's raw, it's living food, so it can do its thing, you know what I'm saying? And if you want to see the superfoods shake that I've been drinking and selling for years and years, you private message me and I'll send you the direct link. You can check it out and look at all the ingredients in it. Okay. Now I could do this just plain Jane. In fact, a lot of the times I do and it tastes great. I affectionately call it a chocolate orgasm for good reason. You try it out, see if you like it. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to do a drop of cinnamon bark oil, just one. And not all cinnamon bark oils are created equal, so I will include in the description of this video a link to the one that I use, because some really suck, and others are very great, medicinally speaking. And you also never want to just take it straight, because it's 500 times the concentration of cinnamon powder, and you'll burn your taste buds. So, there you have it. I also like a lot of heat, so I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Organic cayenne pepper, always. You know, cayenne pepper is also good for the skin. Hi Stacia, hi Donnie. I'm also going to put some chia seeds in here just because I love the consistency of the chia seed, and it's also extremely nutritious. Very good for the skin, and is a healthy source of fat. But it's a whole food fat instead of oil. Because oil clogs insulin receptors. That's why I don't do oil. I don't put it in my salad dressing. Let's see here. Berries. Gonna finish off this bag of blueberries and raspberries. There's some blackberries in here too. So it's a triple berry mix. Raspberries is one of the most awesome things you can eat for your skin, but you got to get the essential oils out of the seeds. And if you just eat raspberries, it's great for you, but it's just going to pass the seeds through your system and you're not going to get the essential oils. Also, almost every blender is not going to extract the oils. So there's 3 blenders that hi Jennifer, nice to see you. There's 3 blenders that I know of that's going to extract the essential oils from those raspberry seeds. Of Vitamix, a Blendtec, those are $500, $600, $700 blenders, but there's another blender that is just as good at extracting those nutrients from those seeds that is $100 or less, and I will include a link to that blender in the descriptions area after this video is all done, along with the cinnamon bark oil that I use. So, these berries in here. More berries. I am also going to include a mighty fistful of greens. This is a mix of chard, arugula, spinach, bok choy, I believe, or something like that. Lovely. Alright, that's all I want to add to this, so I'm going to blend this sucker up, and I'm either going to do a dance while it's blending, or I'm going to let my hair out of this towel, or maybe both. Here it goes. Angelica asks, do I ever do intermittent fasting? I haven't. It's something I've thought about, and maybe someday I will. Who knows? So I did a little bit of a dance and took my hair out of the towel. By the way, if you have healthy blood, healthy organs, great skin, that also means you're probably going to have really great hair, and it's going to grow faster than normal, which is a sign of great health. And also nails, so hair, skin, and nails, organs, blood, all of it works together. If you got healthy blood, because the blood is circulatory, it goes everywhere in the body. So if you got super blood, then you're not going to have any diseases. And you're going to be really healthy, and you're going to feel it, and you're going to age with youthfulness instead of oldness, and you're going to feel it, and you're going to look it. So it's all about the blood. Skip this veneer topical crap that people use to cover up their skin. That's not the way to go. It's from the inside. Nutrition plays a big role in that, man. So does stress alleviation, a great night's sleep every night, and giving and receiving love every day. All those things go towards it. So here's my chocolate orgasm. I'll sip it for you. Let's do it. Wow. Now I just want to go and make out with someone. Oh, hi. So there's the chocolate orgasm. Send me a private message. I'll send you the direct link of the stuff that I've been drinking and selling for years and years. And for those of you that also are turned on by the idea of adding health and wellness to our lives and making residual money while doing so, you can ask me about that too. So that concludes the video. I gave quite a few health tips throughout making this thing. I hope you got something out of it. It's always a lot of fun doing these videos. Just remember, the big takeaway from this video is to get really great skin, to look and feel youthful as you get older. Do it by nourishing the blood. Don't go, I mean, the skin is sort of a cause, it's an effect of the cause. The cause is going to be the blood. And if you got great blood, then your skin, your hair, your nails, your organs, how you feel every day, how you deal with stress, all of that stuff is interlinked. So focus on the blood, and a really great superfoods shake like this is going to go a long way towards really healthy blood. Okay? I hope that makes a lot of sense. I'm sure it does. My website, if you're interested, because I got all sorts of this stuff on my website, tomberkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. And please share this and leave your comments below if you got some ideas on future videos that you'd like to see. And also comment if you got questions or you just want to engage, because I like engaging with people. And I'll hear from some of you via private message, I'm sure. And I'll add in the description of this video, when it's all done, links to the various stuff that I used, so that you too can use the stuff that I used, because I only use the best. And not all things are created equal, especially when it comes to cinnamon bark oil, superfoods shake, the blender that I use to extract the nutrients from the seeds, and all that kinds of stuff. So, hi Deanna, hi Emily, hi Marianne, Jocelyn, Paulette. Great to see everybody. Hi Heather. Alright. Hi Carrie. Bye everybody. Till I see you again. And this will be archived, so you can watch it again, or those of you that just signed in and missed it, you'll be able to watch it in just a minute. Facebook is pretty quick at turning around and archiving this on my timeline. So bye for now. Make out kisses. More make out kisses. Bye for now.